Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello there. Back again to do a kit flip through of a new kit which is in Etsy now and has been up on Patreon about a month or so. This one is called Autumn Garden and it's a kit that I'm going to be using in a month or so. So again, it's a 40-page kit in total. 5 of those pages are exclusive to if you buy it on Patreon, and 35 are on Etsy. Okay, so I'll start off with the 5 extras. So we've got this one, which can be obviously used as kind of labels. I thought they would make like nice cluster type bases. You could use that as a journal card. I have printed these off 2 to a page as well, which I'll show you at the end. Then some which are a bit smaller on this lovely orange. This kit is you know, navy blue, well, blues and orange. Got some pockets and this lovely backing page, and this one which can be used as a page, or you could, you know, individually cut those leaves out or cut the whole thing out. They're like embroidery. Okay, so they're the 5 that you get when you buy it on Patreon, and this is the rest of the kit, so the 35, the main part of the kit. So we've got 2 little either booklet type things or separate journal cards or double journal cards with some tabs. These can also be used as like a base for, you know, putting pockets in. You can also sew them into your journal. We've got 3 tags and 3 journal cards. Either, you know, leave them as is or use them separately. Nice big envelope. Another envelope. I do love envelopes because, you know, I like using them as flips or sewing them in the journal. Some lovely big pockets there, and then a couple of labels. I've not decorated everything. You know, I'll try and do it half and half because I like to include a lot of fussy cuts in my kits. So you know, I don't want to decorate everything and take the fun away from you. So that's those ones. And we've got lots of little pockets, so they would fit in these if you wanted to add pockets inside of those, or like on the big pockets you can then, you know, add a little pocket. Then we've got some fussy cuts. Again, these are embroidery, so these can be torn around or, you know, rough fussy cut around, and I've done them on this background, so you know, you've not got to be so careful with them. Then we've got some embroidery leaves, and then I've printed those 2 to a page. These aren't you know, within the kit. I've just printed these off 2 to a page to show you. Well, I don't think they are. Let me have a look. Sometimes I do add them, and sometimes, oh, they are in the kit. These aren't in the kit. I just did those 2 to a page, and same with those. They're just an extra on what I printed several times because I thought I would tear around those. Okay, so that's the embellishments and ephemera in the extra 5 Patreon sheets. And then these are the journal pages. So we've got the embroidery top and bottom of that one. We've got it some lines. And this one with it down the middle. I do love doing ones with them down the middle. And then, you know, you've got it on the back as well. You know, I've not cut around them yet, and I've not printed on the back. Then with some what I'd call pattern pages, which can, maybe not that one, but you know, they can be used as pages if you was doing a tall journal, or you can obviously use them to make ephemera or tear around them to make a collage. That one you could use that way. And the blues and the oranges look fabulous together. Again, you could use that either way. Same with that one. And I think, yeah, you could use that one either way as well. Then we've got a couple of burlap ones. We've got a more orangey here, and then you know, a more chunky one there. We've got a blue burlap. It's coming up quite bright on the screen. I don't think it's as bright as that. Some quite distressed one. And then we've got some plain ones. So we've got a rusty coloured one. You know, a grungy one. And then these two are very similar, but not. You know, this one's quite a lot brighter than that one. And then I've got a blue. Again, that's showing up really bright. It's not as bright as that. Got a music page and a script page. So that is Autumn Garden. Thank you for taking a look, and thank you to those who have already been, well, either in Patreon or Etsy, starting to buy their fall kits. I'm looking forward to using them, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow, and we will be doing some crafting. So thank you very much. Next week I'll come on and show you know, another two kits. I think there's 10 altogether, so we've done 4 so far, so we'll be a few weeks you know, doing the flip throughs. Okay, until next time, bye for now.